In today's video, I'll show you how using Google, a platform that most of you use on a daily basis, can help you earn thousands of dollars in passive income by combining it with this website. This has nothing to do with selling or marketing anything. There are no social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, or others involved, and it'll work in any country. You don't need a camera to perform this, so you can do it as many times as you like. You won't have to take any images of yourself, you won't need any new social media followers, and I'll show you how to do it in under 10 minutes using a completely free program. It's virtually all done for you, and we've never used this website before. People from all over the world are really making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year with this website, with some even making nearly $500,000. Before we proceed though, check out our friend's new YouTube channel where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. You know, we really appreciate people that teach other people to make money and help themselves and their families, especially in these hard times. Just check out her channel and I'll make sure that you'll learn a lot and also, of course, make money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money real quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And before we get into this brand new content, we release new ways to earn money online daily, and make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we drop a new method and be one of the first to have a chance to try it out. Leave a like and comment below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach more and more people. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so as I mentioned in the intro, you'll get paid in PayPal money from the platform that I'll show you soon enough, and as such, your first step is to come over to paypal.com where you'll want to create your own PayPal account. And by the way, as you can see, PayPal works in many different countries, which is the exact reason that I said this will most likely work in your country. Anyhow, to create your PayPal account, you want to now come back up a bit and you'll see the sign up button in the upper right corner on which you want to click. On the very next page, just select personal account and click on continue. From there, you'll just enter in stuff like your first and last names, email address, phone number, address, and so on. And when you create your PayPal account, you will now be able to get paid, and so it's now time to go to the second platform. The platform in question is, of course, Google. As I said, we'll be using a simple Google trick to get paid today, and so you now want to come over to Google and you will want to search for stuff along the lines of cute cats, cute dogs, beautiful landscape, nature, and so on. Simply put, you want to find great looking images, and here's the thing. You will want them in all different niches, so you want photos that are all unrelated to one another, and I'll show you why that is when we go over to the third platform. In any case, I'll search for cute cats here as an example, and now what you want to do before you download a photo is click on Tools right here, and then you'll be able to see Usage Rights over here, which you want to click, and finally select Creative Commons Licenses. Now, as some of you may guess, this is the Google trick I was talking about. Not many people know about this at all, and what this does is it gives you the license to freely use any one of these photos. If you downloaded the photos from before and used them, you would get taken down for copyright, but now you can use any one of these freely however you want to. From there, you simply want to find a nice looking photo, try to find the best one out of them all, and you want to click on it and then right click and select Save Image to download it to your PC. From there, you want to search for something different. As I said, for example, nature, and by the way, just check out how beautiful these photos are. Once again, once you find the one you like, right click on it and click on Save Image As. And repeat this process for all of the images in whatever niche you pick until you have around 10 or so images in all different niches. Finally, from there, you will want to come over to the platform I've mentioned time and time again, and the platform that will actually pay us is called clickasnap.com. And immediately when you come on here, you'll see this. It pays to share, sign up, and get paid for your content. and your content will indeed be those very images you found over on Google for free without even having to take them yourself. The way this works is as follows. You upload an image on this website. Whenever someone views it, they will see a bunch of ads on the side of the image, and the website shares the ad revenue with the person who uploaded the photo, which in this case will be you. And just a side note here, I'm assuming most of you watching this don't have a camera, but if you happen to be an even halfway decent photographer and you have a good camera, then it would be a far better option to simply take the photos yourselves. This will add originality to your images, and in the end, you'll be doing what you love. Now, with that said, this platform has been around for quite some time and it wasn't so popular not too long ago, but for whatever reason, it blew up and now it literally gets millions of visits. Furthermore, I remember a while back that it paid much less money per image viewed. As you can see here, it will pay you 70 cents. This used to be just 15 cents, and even though 70 cents may still seem like a small amount of money, trust me, it's not. Think about it like this. If 100 people views your photo, that's already $70 made in passive income, and this site gets millions of visits, so it's nearly guaranteed you'll get some decent views at the very least. So now is the perfect time to jump onto this website and take advantage of the fact that it's gotten so popular and that it started paying more for the photos. Anyhow, on this page here, you can see more info regarding the payment. The minimum payout is $15, as you can see, which isn't the lowest for sure, but it isn't too bad either. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends, hit the red subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. If we get 1,000 comments that say make money online on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can make money just by doing basic stuff like this, so comment make money online down below. And if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video that might even be cooler than this, so comment make money online down below. Next week, we'll release a brand new video to show you how to make even more money online by completing simple tasks like this. So, let's get back to the video now. Now, before we move on to the site, something I really want to show you are the numbers which you can see on this platform. I've shown time and time again, called similarweb.com, and check this out. In the past month, Click a Snap got nearly 2 million visits. This used to be just around 300,000 visits or so back in December 2020, which wasn't that long ago. So as I said before, this site has grown tremendously, which means it's the perfect time to start using it to get paid. And just think about this for a second. This site gets almost 2 million visits a month. Let's say that in total, for an entire month, 0.1% of that total visitors view your photos. That is still 1,900 views, which would mean you would make $1,000 in passive income. You just upload the photos and that's all the work you have to do. As you can see, even if we're being insanely conservative, you can still make thousands of dollars on this website, and I can guarantee you that more than 0.1% of people will view your photos, which in turn means that you can make way more than $10,000 a month, most definitely. Anyway, back on Click a Snap here, what you need to do in order to start getting paid is click on sign up for free right here. From there, you can sign up via Facebook, Google, Twitter, which is ultimately faster. Alternatively, you can just sign up via email and enter in your email address, username, password before agreeing to their terms and conditions and clicking on create an account just below. Now, once you sign up, there is a bit of a catch that I have to mention with this site. It's not 100% free if you do want to get paid for people viewing your photos, but take a look at this. In order to get paid for views, you just need to invest £2 into this site, which is just under $3 for an entire month, while you can literally make thousands of dollars during that time. I know this is a bit of a disappointment for many of you, but I can assure you it will be well worth it to invest such a small amount of money into this site. Once you do, you can just use Google to upload like 10 images a day, and once you have a few dozen images, you'll be able to make thousands of dollars in passive income from there, as new people are discovering the site every single day, which means some of your older photos will get views months and months after they've been uploaded. That's it for today. Don't forget to also check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. Alright, that wraps up today's video. If you made it until the end, just know that you'll start making money if you decide to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you on this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous video on our channel. We upload every single day, and if you want more, all you gotta do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in our next videos.